Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to add fonts to your Pixellab app. So if you're a designer and you'll be using Pixellab and you don't know how to add fonts, or maybe I've been seeing people adding fonts or using new fonts that you don't have in your Pixellab and you're thinking it's magic, this video is for you. Before I start, if you have not been following or if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, share, like this video for more videos like this. So let's begin. Firstly, open Google and search for the font that you want to download. In this tutorial, I'm downloading chunk file. It's going to be downloaded as a zip file. So you open your Z archiver, open your download folder and search for the font that you downloaded. Once you found the zip file, extract to the archive name. Then open Pixellab and add a new text. Then tap on fonts, tap on my fonts. Search for the folder you imported your fonts to. Then once you found it, you can add the text. Then it should be on my fonts. That's all. Search for it and tap it and OK. You have successfully added the new fonts. Also, you can add multiple fonts at the same time, importing the folder to which you added the font. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you.